So first, let's go to the top plane. Let's create a sketch. Let's choose a center rectangle, like this. Let's click OK. Let's go to Smart Dimensions. Let's make this one 65 millimeters and this one 21 millimeters. Like this. Let's click OK. Now let's select everything. Let's uncheck for construction. And now let's check again for construction. And now all lines are construction lines. In Feature Tool, ignore construction lines. Let's click OK. Let's exit sketch. And now we're going to insert the first picture. So let's choose here sketch picture. If you don't have a sketch picture tool here, go to the search command, type in sketch picture. And you will find sketch picture tool here, and you can drag this tool and you can put it here. So let's go to the sketch picture. Now let's choose a picture one. Let's open it. Now let's zoom out, and here is our picture. And this is our scale tool. We won't use this scale tool, so we're gonna check this, enable scale tool. Now let's adjust our picture. Let's get it smaller, like this. Now let's position this USB inside of this rectangle, like this. So let's extend this a little bit more. Here we can rotate. Let's rotate a little bit, like this. Let's go back again. Let's go with 360 actually. 360 is better. Let's drag this like this. Doesn't have to be 100% accurate, but we will try to make it accurate as much as possible. Like this. And let's click OK. So now here we have a picture. Here we have our construction lines, and now we can create a sketch. Now we can create a contour of this USB. So let's go to the line, and we can start here. So let's go from here to here, 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 like this. Let's go up to this side, here, and to here. Here we're gonna have a center point arc. So let's go here to center point arc. Let's start here. Let's create this center point arc like this. Now let's choose a line again. Let's create a line like this. This one to here, and let's finish here. And OK. Like this. And now we're going to put some dimensions. But first, let's define some relations. So let's make this point and this point vertical. Let's make this point and this point vertical. Let's go here. Let's make this point and this point vertical, as well this point and this point vertical, like this. Now let's click on this point here, hold Ctrl and the origin. Let's make it horizontal, like this. Let's click OK. Now let's click on this point here, hold Ctrl, origin, and let's make it horizontal, and OK. Now let's go to Smart Dimensions. Let's put here this dimension 12, like this. Let's make this dimension here. Let's go with 12. like this. Let's make it here, radius 6 millimeters. Let's define the length of this line here. Let's go with 2 millimeters, like this. Let's click on this line here and this line here. Let's make this 18. Let's click OK. Now let's click on this line here, hold Ctrl and this line here. Let's make them equal. Like this, let's click OK. Now let's go here to the sketch 1. Let's open this and here's our sketch picture 1. Let's click on this sketch picture, double click. And now let's go here with an angle. Let's go minus 0.5, like this. Now let's try to position this picture more accurately, like this. Now it's more precise. Let's click OK. Now let's click on this line here, this line here. Let's make it tangent and OK. Now let's click on this point here and this point here and this one here, and let's make them vertical, like this. Now let's select this line here, hold Ctrl, this center point arc. Let's make it tangent. Now let's select this center point arc, hold Ctrl, this center line, and let's make it tangent and OK. Now let's go here and let's choose a center line. Let's draw a center line from this point here, middle point, to this middle point here, like this. Let's choose this point here, hold Ctrl, this point here, and let's make it horizontal, like this, and OK. And now our sketch is fully defined. Now we can go to features, Extruded Boss base. Let's go with midplane. Let's choose 10.5, like this, and let's click OK. And this is our first feature, Boss Extrude 1. If we open this Boss Extrude 1, we have a sketch 1 here. If we open sketch 1, here we have sketch picture 1, on base which we have created this feature.